Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm giving you a sneak peek into something super personal, what's in my bag. Whether I'm running errands, heading to a meeting, or just out and about, these are my absolute must-haves that I carry with me everywhere. So, if you are curious to see what essentials I can't leave the house without, keep watching. First up, my phone. This is my lifeline. Whether it's staying connected with friends and family, checking emails, or capturing those quick Instagram-worthy moments, my phone is always by my side. I honestly don't know what I'd do without it. Plus, I love how it keeps everything organized and accessible, from my to-do lists to my favorite apps. Next up is my trusty charger. With how much I rely on my phone throughout the day, having a charger with me is an absolute must. There's nothing worse than being out and about and seeing that dreaded low battery warning. This one is compact, fits perfectly in my bag, and keeps me powered up no matter where I am. Of course, I can't go anywhere without my Earpods. Whether I'm listening to my favorite playlists, catching up on podcasts, or taking a call on the go, these are my go-to for staying connected and entertained. Plus, they're so convenient and easy to carry. I just pop them in my bag, and I'm good to go. Next is my wallet, an absolute essential. This is where I keep all my important cards, some cash, and a few little extras like receipts or a photo. I love how it's both stylish and practical, with enough space for everything I need but still compact enough to fit easily in my bag. Of course, I can't leave the house without my keys. I keep them on this cute keychain, which makes them easy to find in my bag. Whether it's my house keys, car keys, or a few other important ones, they're always with me. I also like to add a little charm or a keyring to personalize them. It's a small detail, but it makes me smile every time I see it. And here's something I always try to have with me, a good book. Whether I'm commuting, waiting for an appointment, or just taking a break, I love having something to read. It's a great way to escape, learn something new, or just relax for a bit. Right now, I'm reading, insert book title, and I'm really enjoying it. I never leave the house without a pen. You never know when you'll need to jot down a quick note, sign something, or just doodle a bit. I always keep a reliable pen in my bag. It's such a simple tool, but it's so handy to have. Plus, I find it really satisfying to write things down the old-fashioned way. Last but not least is my water bottle. Staying hydrated is super important, so I always make sure to carry this with me. It's reusable, eco-friendly, and keeps my water cold all day long. Plus, having it with me helps me remember to drink more water throughout the day, no matter where I am. Another must-have in my bag is hand sanitizer. It's super convenient for those moments when I need to clean my hands but don't have access to soap and water. I always keep a small bottle with me to stay germ-free and fresh while I'm on the go. Plus, it comes in handy more often than you'd think. And finally, my sunglasses. These are essential for protecting my eyes from the sun and adding a touch of style to any outfit. I always keep them in my bag for those sunny days or whenever I need a little extra shade. Plus, they're perfect for hiding tired eyes on those busy days. Next up are my wet tissues. I always keep a pack with me for those moments when I need a quick refresh or clean up. Whether it's wiping off a snack spill, cleaning my hands, or even freshening up on the go, they're super handy and versatile. Plus, they're great for quick cleanups when soap and water aren't available. Last but not least, I always carry a pack of dry tissues. They're perfect for those quick cleanups, whether it's a little spill or just needing a tissue for a runny nose. They're lightweight and take up minimal space, so they're a simple yet essential addition to my bag. Next, I've got my comb and compact mirror. These are perfect for quick touch-ups throughout the day. Whether I need to fix my hair or check my makeup, having these handy ensures I always look my best. The comb helps keep my hair in place, and the mirror lets me make sure everything's in order. Plus, they're small enough to fit easily in my bag without taking up much space. Finally, I keep travel-sized bottles of shampoo, conditioner, and face wash in my bag. They're perfect for those days when I'm out longer than expected or need a quick refresh. I like to have these on hand just in case I need to freshen up or take a quick shower. Plus, having them in travel-sized bottles means they fit perfectly in my bag without taking up too much space. And lastly, I have my go-to beauty essentials. This includes lotion, sunscreen, primer, and foundation for a solid base, along with concealer, contour, and compact for those quick touch-ups. I also carry blush, highlighter, and an eye palette for adding some color and sparkle. For the eyes, I've got eyeliner, kajal, mascara, and of course, lip balm, lip pencil, and lipstick to complete the look. Having all these products ensures I'm always ready to touch up or switch up my look whenever needed. Thanks for watching. Please like, view, share and subscribe my channel.